There could be more woes in store for the nation's farmers hit by unseasonal rains. The monsoon is expected to be below normal for the second consecutive year. The Met Department has issued its first forecast for this year's monsoon, pegging it at 93% of the long-range average rainfall. Science and Technology Minister Dr. Harshvardhan, along with Met Department officials, gave out the figures which said rainfall is expected to be 93% of the long-range average of 89 centimeter. The margin of error in this forecast is plus or minus 5%. The possibility of below-average rain for the June to September period is 35%. The possibility of normal rain is 28%. The possibility of deficient rain is higher at 33%. Possibility of above average or excessive rain is negligible.
समूचे देश के लिए 2015 दक्षिण पश्चिमी मानसून ऋतु जून से सितंबर की वर्षा सामान्य से कम, दीर्घावधि औसत के 90 से 96% होने की संभावना 35% है। डेफिशिएंट वर्षा की संभावना 33% और सामान्य वर्षा होने की संभावना 28% है। अंत में सामान्य से अधिक वर्षा होने की संभावना बहुत कम है।
The Met Department has said that below normal monsoon could impact the northwestern and central parts of the country the most. Last year's monsoon had seen 88% rains, which impacted states like Rajasthan, Haryana, Delhi NCR, and Western Uttar Pradesh the most. The Met Department has so far not indicated any drought-like situation this year, but the government has been sounded off to prepare for the worst, and plans are being firmed up to tackle any monsoon woes.
अलार्म या पैनिक की मेरे ख्याल से बात इसमें नहीं हमें करने की प्रयास करना चाहिए, लेकिन इसको मद्देनजर रखते हुए हमारे सरकार के लेवल पर सभी संबंधित विभागों को, सभी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स को हम लोग अलर्ट करेंगे। अपने जो कैबिनेट सेक्रेटरी है, पीएम ऑफिस है, अपने कैबिनेट है, संबंधित एग्रीकल्चर और दूसरे विभाग हैं, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स हैं, सभी को इसके बारे में सूचित करेंगे।
The El Nino effect was responsible for drought in 2002, 2004 and 2009 during the last decade. The forecast issued for the southwest monsoon this time around also says that El Nino conditions are likely to prevail during the coming monsoon.
ये जो हमारे लॉन्ग रेंज मॉडल है, इसमें 5 जो मेजर इंडिकेटर्स हैं, जिसमें कि अटलांटिक और पैसिफिक के टेम्परेचर ग्रेडियंट का, पैसिफिक का वार्म वाटर वॉल्यूम, यूरेशियन टेम्परेचर, एशियन कंडीशंस और इंडियन ओशन के तापमान की अवस्थाओं, इन सब का एक सम्मिलित रूप से मॉडल है। ये स्टैटिस्टिकल मॉडल है, लेकिन साथ ही साथ हम जो मॉनसून मिशन के तहत जो कपल मॉडल पर काम कर रहे हैं, वो भी लगभग इसी प्रकार की संकेत दे रहा है।
The Met Department has said that it will issue a second forecast for this year in June. It will also give information about El Nino conditions and the arrival date of the monsoon by 15th of May for a clear picture. The Met Department considers rain at 90% and below as deficient. Rain between 90 and 96% is classified as below normal. Rainfall between 96 and 104% is considered to be normal. Rain between 104 and 110% is regarded as above average, while rainfall above 110% is considered to be excessive. The Met Department's forecast is worrisome as below normal monsoon will impact farm production. Agriculture contributes nearly 15% of the country's $2 trillion GDP. More than half the country's population depends on it. Below normal monsoons can have a wide-ranging impact on the economy, ranging from food prices to interest rates. However, relief for now can be garnered from the predictions made by the American, European and Japanese weather scientists, as well as the ASSOCHAM SkyMet report, all predicting a normal monsoon. Newsnight Desk, DD News.